Installing or replacing a thermostat incorrectly can cause thermostat wiring errors, system damage, and poor HVAC performance. So get the wiring right the first time. Modern thermostat replacement starts with a methodical 5-step check. Turn off power at the furnace or air handler to avoid shorts. Remove the old thermostat carefully and photograph the wiring and terminal letters. Label each conductor so you never guess which wire goes where. And compare the terminal letters to the replacement thermostat's manual rather than assuming color to function mapping. Test for a common conductor by gently tugging the cable at the air handler and looking for a thicker bundle or a spare unused conductor. If there is no common conductor, confirm the system's transformer output voltage and whether the new thermostat requires a continuous power feed. For heat pump systems or older millivolt and line voltage systems, check compatibility specifically. Heat pumps often use an O or B reversing valve wire that must be assigned exactly, and line voltage units cannot be driven by low voltage thermostats. If the old thermostat used a Mercury switch, note that the Mercury device likely used 2 terminals that completed a circuit differently than modern solid-state controls. Map those terminals to the new stat by tracing which 2 wires were connected during heating and cooling calls. Use a multimeter to verify 24-volt alternating current presence across the R and C terminals before finalizing installation. And if you lack a C wire, consider battery-powered thermostats, an external 24-volt adapter, or an add-a-wire capacitor kit to create a reliable common. After wiring, restore power and manually force a heat and cool call while watching furnace and air handler response. Check for continuous thermostat polls, like constant fan requests, which indicate a miswired common. Finally, seal the thermostat opening in the wall to prevent drafts that cause false temperature readings and recalibrate the set point to match a standalone accurate thermometer. One of the most common thermostat mistakes is thermostat wiring errors where homeowners connect wires by color instead of terminal letter, causing the fan to run continuously or the system to lock out. Fix by labeling wires, matching terminal letters, and confirming with a voltmeter. One of the top issues is missing common wire or C wire problems that lead to rechargeable battery drain or intermittent restarts. Fix by installing a common wire from the air handler, using a 24-volt plug-in power adapter, or choosing a battery-only thermostat designed for low-power operation. One of the frequent problems is compatibility errors with old Mercury thermostats and non-standard systems that use proprietary controls. Fix by tracing which 2 wires close the circuit for heat and cool. Consulting the equipment manufacturer for wiring diagrams, and if needed, use an isolation relay or interface module to translate the old control signals to modern digital thermostats. BigHomeProjects.com is a home improvement directory that helps homeowners find local licensed HVAC contractors experienced with thermostat wiring and Mercury-to-digital conversions. The site also helps contractors list their services and bid on work, so qualified professionals connect with homeowners who need reliable thermostat replacement and wiring fixes.